Hello everyone, today I am going to show you that how to add two numbers in Python. This is just a basic program in Python, but it is extremely important for the beginners. Okay, so let us start. At first, so we are going to add two numbers. So at first we need to define two variables which will store these two numbers. So let me take the variables as x and y. Okay, so x and y. Yeah, let let the let the variables be x and y. Yeah, x and y. Okay, so x equal to 5, y equal to 6. So then I define another variable named z, which will store the value when x is added to y. Then we will print the value of z. Okay, then now we will execute this program. Okay, so this is how you will add two numbers. Now let us see how how can we add two numbers that is entered by the user. So in this case we need to use the input function, right? Int input, enter the first number, and then y equal to int input, enter the second number, and then we will define a variable named z which will store the value when x is added to y. We can also write that print x plus y, but in this case I am defining a variable named z. Now I am printing a z. Okay, now I will click on run. Okay, let me decorate this program. Right, so run. So the first number is 7 and the second number is 2. So the output is 9. Thanks, bye bye.